Welcome to Cooking with Chai, and today I'm making chicken mozzarella pasta, so let's get started. The first step is to prepare the water for the noodles. And here I have some skinless, boneless chicken breasts, and I'm just going to flatten them until they're even in thickness. And this will help with the cooking process. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog, and you can find the link in the description box below. Now I'm just going to season the chicken breast with a bit of seasoning salt, dried basil, and some garlic powder. Now that my water is to a boil, I'm just going to go ahead and add my mini lasagna noodles. You can use whatever noodles you like. And I'm just going to cook that according to the instructions on the package. Now I'm just going to go ahead and beat a couple eggs. Then I'm just going to place the chicken breast into the egg and then into some breadcrumbs. And I'm using seasoned breadcrumbs. Next, I will be placing the chicken breast into my pan, and I'll be cooking for 7 minutes on each side. Once my noodles are cooked, I'm just going to place it into a baking dish. Then I'm going to take half of tomato sauce and pour it on top and just even it out a bit. Then I'll be placing the chicken on top and pour the remaining tomato sauce over the chicken. Then layer with some mozzarella cheese, and I'll be baking this for 10 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's done, it should look like this. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. See you next time. Take care.